Hi everyone, this is Melissa Moak, and this is my demo for our university application that we made using the Contoso university application over on Microsoft Developers website. So we went through this 10-step tutorial and we were able to create this university website. We made a couple of tweaks just at the very end here to make it our own to turn in for the assignment. So we kind of changed the name of the university. We had to have a different font that was from a Google font. We added an image on the front here, and we made it so that the homepage was not necessarily about the tutorial, but more about the actual application as if this were a real university. So I'm just going to give a quick walkthrough to go over the different parts of it. So you can come to the student section here, and it will show you a list of students that are in here. You can filter, you can do like AL, and it will show you Alexander and Alonzo because they're AL. We can sort by maybe K, see if there's any K's in here. There's this name, which I'm not going to try and pronounce. We can delete that and search again, and it should show us all of them. We can do this pagination here to see other names. And that's kind of the student one. You can edit or see the details on any student, and it will show you the courses that they are listed in. So if I go find a student that has some courses, you can see like Alexander is enrolled in the chemistry and all these ones, and he's gotten his grades already. So we can go back to the list. These do edit and delete like we have done in previous applications, so I'm not going to demo that. Courses. You can come in here and see the course numbers, the course names, the number of credits, and whatever for the application. These also can edit and show details and delete. I can show the details on here, and it's just like normal. So then we can click on the instructors, and the instructors is kind of a fun one because you can pick an instructor here and select it, and it will show you the courses that are taught by that selected instructor. So these micro and macro. And then you can select from there and see the students that are enrolled in that selected course. So we saw Alexander earlier and the grade that he has in the class. And then you can come to departments, and it will show you the departments that are there, the administrator over the start date and the budget for it, and these also edit, delete, and everything else. Then there's the contact information where we needed to add our own contact information for the site. And I think that basically wraps up our demonstration. So I hope you enjoy and that this works well for the demo for the assignment.